कर दो.
allow it. Yes, yes. Okay. So tell me, first thing that you have a friend that is who is not good at English. His fluency is not good at English. So how could you tell him? आप कैसे उनको बताएंगे कि इंग्लिश की शुरुआत कैसे करें? What is the initially stage? What should you advise him or her in English?
Ma'am, firstly you speak English. Any words.
Okay, I speak in English. Any word. Okay.
Some like just
Suppose,
like eating,
yes.
uh, playing, or driving. Like
For example, I have my friend. I have a friend which who is from Hindi medium school. He is not good at English, literally. So I suggest him. Welcome to the class. Roshan is not there, na? Today also. He was absent tomorrow also. Yesterday he was absent. So, so I have uh, got a lot of challenged, and I suggested to my friend that Rakesh, there is going on the group discussion of beginning of the friend. If you have any friend and he is not good at English at all, so what is the advice you should give her or give him to your friend? Okay,
Yes,
so I am
yes,
just
yes.
asking from Ankit first, then just then after 5 minutes your chance. So just you
Yes,
think about that about that situation based speaking is very necessary nowadays because whenever we go anywhere at random हमसे कोई पूछ ले कि what is the scenario of this, can you explain this situation in English? So how can you explain at that time? क्योंकि आपको तो आता ही नहीं है, आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? तो सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना चाहिए हमें। सिचुएशन हम कैसे हैंडल करेंगे एट दैट टाइम when our friend or any professional working man or women ask to you that explain me this situation in English, so I will give you the situation word. Okay, सो सिचुएशन मैंने आपको दिया है कि व्हेन यू गो टू एनी प्रोफेशनल प्लेस एंड वेयर देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वर्किंग इज गोइंग ऑन by the site, as you are an advocate and your friend is also advocate, and he want to he want to prepare his speech or his advocacy document in English for any criminal case you have. Ankit, I am just asking to you, okay, because your profession is advocacy, so that's why I want to ask you from your profession, not any other field, okay, so that you can comfortably speak out, easily speak out. So, situation, this is your situation. Give me something like any 5 or 6 sentences you can frame that your friend is not good at English and he wanted to prepare their script for any criminal case. Just tell.
anything. Ma'am, we are dealing with civil cases.
Yeah, civil cases. Yeah, I just asking about ki how can he handle that situation, your friend, and you want to help him. How do you assist your friend? Tell me. Uh, anything, you just start from the scratch, no? Don't think so much. This is not the professional, like I am, I am like asking you by a professional. You just give me any small examples, not to worry about the mistakes. I told you many times. A client asks
मैम दो
when the,
लाइन.
hmm,
या
या बोलिए,
बोला ही
स्टार्ट
नहीं
करिए
जा रहा।
बोलना। स्टार्ट करिए बोलना। एनी एनी हाउ यू कैन, जैसे आप हिंदी में हैंडल करते हैं अपने केसेस को, उसी तरीके से आप इंग्लिश में बता दीजिएगा। दैट्स दैट्स ऑल। सपोज आपका फ्रेंड के पास कोई क्रिमिनल केस आया, मैं आपको हिंदी में बताती हूँ। कोई भी क्रिमिनल केस आया और उसको एक पूरी स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी है हिंदी टू इंग्लिश में, तो आप उसको कैसे हेल्प करेंगे? उसको एक कंप्लेंट लिखनी है। चलिए एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं। मेकिंग अ कंप्लेंट। सिचुएशन ये है कि he has he has received a criminal who was very clever, and he killed a man. तो हाउ कैन यू रिएक्ट?
लिखते हैं हम तो लिखते हैं
उसने
हम
एक
इस
आदमी
टाइप की
को मार दिया
एग्जाम्पशन
है, अब वो
एप्लीकेशन
कैसे
लिखते हैं।
हैंडल कैसे करोगे आप इंग्लिश में उसको? थोड़ा बहुत बताइए, थोड़ा बहुत तो बताइए।
मैम,
यस।
when my client is not come in court, in the court, we pray to him. I am not coming court today
हम्म।
because we are going to other place like Kawad Yatra, and I write an application for for the court on behalf of my client. Uh, this application name is exemption application for the accused side. मैम हिंदी में बता देता हूँ। हम ना एक जब हमारा क्लाइंट नहीं आता तो हम एक एप्लीकेशन लिखते हैं एग्जाम्पशन की कि वो क्यों नहीं आया।
हाँ, सपोज
वो हम
की।
सबमिट करते हैं कोर्ट। जी।
ओके।
तो उसमें हम
ओके।
रीजन बता देते हैं। यस।
ओके। ओके। Okay, you explained nicely. Now, I am giving you one situation to Rakesh also. And yes, Ankit, you just think about that more and more to speak out. You can write down also, लिख भी सकते हो आप। लेकिन ये नहीं है आपको एंड रैंडम मैंने आपको कोई सिचुएशन दी और आपको लग रहा है कि मैं कैसे बोलूं। लेकिन आप मेरे से 5 मिनट या 2 मिनट या जितना भी मिनट आपका टाइम मांग सकते हो, आप मांग सकते हो लिखने के लिए, सो दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लेन वेरी वेल। सो दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लेन वेरी वेल ना। एट रैंडम स्पीकिंग क्यों दिया जा रहा है? बिकॉज ये आपकी स्पीकिंग को सुधारेगा, इंप्रूव करेगा, बताएगा कि हमें कैसे बोलना चाहिए, सिचुएशन बेस्ड चीजें हमें कैसे बोलनी चाहिए। क्योंकि अभी अभी मैं आपको लेसन्स रटा नहीं सकती, दिस इज नॉट द रटाफिकेशन क्लास। आपकी सिचुएशन को वेस्ट करके मुझे बेसिक्स चीजें लेनी है ना। तो मैं सिर्फ आपको प्रैक्टिस ही कराऊंगी, कुछ सिखाऊंगी नहीं आपको। आप ऑलरेडी सब कुछ जानते हैं, यू आर अडल्ट। सो आई डोंट नीड टू एक्सप्लेन यू ताती थीते रहा रही रहे, नो। दिस इज नॉट द क्लास ऑफ टेंसेस और ग्रामर स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज ओनली स्पीकिंग क्लासेस। सो मैं आपको इसी तरीके की ही प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगी। जब तक आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है तब तक आप सीखिए। और मेरी तरफ से 100% कोशिश रहेगा कि मैं आपको इंग्लिश टू हिंदी ही बाइलिंगुअल लैंग्वेज में ही सिखाऊं। टोटल इंग्लिश कोई भी नहीं बोल पाता, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट मच परफेक्ट ऑल्सो, मैं अपना भी आपको बता दूं। तो मेरा हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कंटेंट ही रहता है मोस्टली, बिगनर्स के लिए, इंटरमीडिएट के लिए, प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए भी। ओके। सो आप अपनी दूसरी सिचुएशन के बारे में सोच सकते हैं, जैसे आपने मेरे को अभी और बताया, तो उसमें आप कुछ ऐड अप कर सकते हैं, उसको आप राइट डाउन करिए जब तक मैं राकेश से पूछ सकती हूँ। ओके। ओके, नाउ राकेश, इट्स योर टर्न। प्रोफेशनल सिचुएशन है, जैसे कि एज यू नो दैट योर प्रोफेशन अबाउट लाइक साइट विजिटिंग, साइट विजिटिंग, राइट। सो
Any
व्हेन
kind of
एनी,
the network architecture, yes. We
व्हेन
could
एनी
say that
क्लाइंट,
any network.
यस, so I will give you situation
Okay.
that you have to go somewhere with your client, and he is very perfect in English. So can you face how can you face him?
Okay. that is I just realistic happened with me actually. Last time my director will come with me, and he asking about me where to your where to come your operations
हमारे
just start up to your network architecture. So just starting in, I'm just coming with them, and he offering me to open the data center door, and I just put my finger, and because they are the restricted areas, several people they have the access over the data center. So I'll just put on my finger, open it, and he look at it. So first of all, so he asking me, so how to create the structure over this rack, and which kind of devices parallelly, sequentially, and how to align with each other. So I'll explain everything about this. He asking first of all, he asking about me the where the MPLS line and how many gigs they giving to they
What
giving
is
to
the
the
MPLS
bandwidth.
line? What is the meaning?
MPLS line means MPLS actually also mega different name. This MPLS just like a lease line. You using your mobile phone.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so you insert the SIM card, but SIM card is only giving reading the codes. They're not basic technology things. They only the chips level, and they're reading your data and put out the signals to the satellite. Satellites means our routers. Our routers, our infrastructure is creating the outside. They're putting the signal there, and our router signal send it to on your mobile, and your mobile gathering this all data and converting your internet, start with your internet.
Okay.
So that is the main line.
Okay.
Son,
Just a
so
second situation.
yes,
Okay. Now I understood. Because now time limitation, only 40 minutes classes are there, so I have to cover all 2 or 3
That is
activities.
so less time actually we have.
Yes. So making a complaint, you received the wrong product from Amazon. Okay, right? Both of you listen very carefully. I will actually you should explain me this situation. You received a wrong product, or you have to complain to Amazon. Sir, I received a wrong product. Which I have ordered, that is not actual one. So how could you complain Amazon? Why customer care calling?
Yes.
So firstly, I
May I
would
do first?
I would love to hear from Ankit. Ankit, just
मैम
tell me.
मेरी सिचुएशन तो दूसरी थी ना, आपने बोला लिख लो, मैंने लिख ली।
नहीं, लिख लिया कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन अब सिचुएशन चेंज कर दिए मैंने। मैं 3 और 4 एक्टिविटीज आपको कराना चाहती हूँ 40 मिनट का क्लासेस में, बिकॉज मेरे को कवर कराना है। जो छोटी छोटी बेसिक चीजें हैं वो मेरे को 1 मंथ में कवर कराना है आपको। आप इस बारे में भी सोचिए, आराम से टाइम लीजिए। जब तक मैं राकेश से पूछ लेती हूँ। यू जस्ट टेक योर टाइम। अगर आपको राइट डाउन करना है, आप राइट डाउन कर लीजिए। आप लिख लीजिएगा मैंने क्या पूछा है आपसे। यू रिसीव्ड द रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द अमेजोन, विच यू ऑर्डर्ड समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड यू रिसीव्ड डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट। सो हाउ यू कंप्लेन फ्रॉम कस्टमर केयर। ओके
मैम मैं लिख रहा हूँ, आप पूछ लीजिए सर।
Okay, Rakesh, you explain me. I am a customer care, and you are a customer, and you just call me, and I am handle this.
Yes. You suppose as well. My call is receiving from your side. So yes. So your first question is how can we help you? That's the Amazon helpline. How can I help you? So I'll just complete. I just started on this product. Hello, ma'am. I'll just ordered the one product, just wristwatch, smartwatch, but I'm getting the smart band. So definitely this product is different, and I receiving product is different. So can I give me the all details to how can I do this, and how do I replace my product, and I'm giving how to the exact product I will giving to so please give me the several short description over there. How can I do this?
Okay, thank you, sir, for reaching out me. How can I help you? Please repeat your complaint regarding wrong product which you received from Amazon. Please
Yes, I order. Yes,
give me some hint
yes, yes,
about
yes.
your product when you
Yes,
ordered.
I ordered it smartwatch, so and so BLW models, but I receiving the smart band and 350.
Okay,
So I ordered the actual price, but I'm not giving actual product, but I'm not receiving the right product
let
from
me
the
check.
Amazon side.
Let me check that for you.
Yes.
Please give me a moment. Yeah, I apologize for the inconvenience, but your product may be different from that you ordered, and I will replace your order and which you ordered. Only within a 1 month, sorry, within a 1 day, you just got your you just got your new one. Thank you so much for reaching out me. Thank you. And
Okay, so next
yeah.
question is how should I do for this? What should I do for this actually?
Okay, you
So
just
any process need to buy our side? You needed some replacement process going to the over the sites and to put the replacement process. So any kind of need to going through process for our side. So please explain me.
Okay, I just get to know that I have to replace. You want to replace or refund issue? Tell me one
Uh,
option.
no, no, I'm not talking about the refund. What should I do other, and how can I get my original products?
Original
So I'm
product.
talking about
Okay.
only,
So I
yes,
will let you know that within a 1 day, I will
1 month
I will give you your original product and you get
and
received.
next day.
You can receive it next day. You have to wait
Okay.
24 hours. After 24,
Oh,
within a 24 hours, you get your product.
oh, thank you. You
Oh,
give
thank
me
you
the
so much for your inconvenience and have a good day. Have a nice day.
you do.
Okay. ओके अंकित, तो आपने देखा इस तरीके से हैंडल किए जाते हैं जो रैंडम सिचुएशंस होती हैं। जैसे मैंने कस्टमर केयर, इन्होंने कॉल किया कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट गलत आ गया है, मैं उसको कैसे करूं हैंडल। तो मैंने एक कॉल इन्होंने मेरे को किया, तो हम लोगों ने ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन किया। तो उससे पता चलता है कि हमें लिटिल बिट हम बात कर सकते हैं। यदि किसी भी कस्टमर केयर का फोन आए या किसी का भी फोन आए आपके पास, तो आप क्या करेंगे, उसको सिचुएशन को हैंडल करेंगे इन इंग्लिश ओनली। Okay, somewhere if you feel uncomfortable to framing the sentences, so you can speak in Hindi. Otherwise, if you practice regularly, so according the situation, you can handle it in English. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, please. We proceed. If you got wrong product, uh, like Rakesh got a wrong product, and you want to replacement of your product or you want to refund? Tell me.
One thing I'll just interrupt between. That is situation happen with you.
No, yeah. One time I got received a product and I have to complain to Amazon. Yeah, after 5, 6 months before. It happens
So
me. It is a original
that's all.
story. And it happens for everyone, na? It happens for
Yes,
everyone.
yes, yeah.
Okay, Ankit, so tell me, how can I help you, sir?
Ma'am, I ordered one book in English, but you send me in Hindi. Please replace my book.
Okay, you ordered English book and
Yes, ma'am.
you received Hindi book. What is the name of your
Uh-huh.
book? Can I know?
Ma'am, like this, the Vivekananda.
Okay, Vivekananda book. So when did you order that book? Tell me the date.
Ma'am, I think 10 August.
10 August. Okay. Let me check once. Please give me a moment. Okay, I will do our best to resolve your to resolve your issue. I checked your book is the Vivekanand you ordered in Hindi, and I apologized that there is a mistake which has happened in from the Amazon team. So what should I do? You have to replace the book and issuing the refund. Tell me.
No, ma'am, please replace the book and deliver the same.
Okay, okay. Could you please confirm your details, your address and yeah,
Mm.
your proper address and phone
Mhm.
number, please.
Ma'am, my address is MSME Institute of Ayurveda in Sonipat, and my mobile number is 9654083040.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your
Ma'am,
give me details
ma'am,
and
when we delivered this book?
it is delivered within a 24 hours. You have to wait after, yeah, when I registered your complaint and it reach out any Amazon team person, deliver person, and it is delivering you within a 24 hours. Thank you so much for your
Okay.
cooperation.
Thank you.
Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
यस, अब ये आपने इस तरीके से देखा सिचुएशन बेस्ड स्पीकिंग हमें कैसे करनी है, ये इस चीज के बारे में था। छोटा सा टॉपिक हमने डिस्कस किया, उसमें आपको बताना था कि आपकी जो भी प्रॉब्लम है आप बताइए, आप उसको इशू करवाना चाहते हैं, आपका डिटेल क्या है, आपने कब ऑर्डर किया था, आप अपना ये सब कुछ बताया हमने, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से ये सिचुएशन बेस्ड थिंग्स होती हैं जो हम स्पीकिंग में बहुत जरूरी होती हैं। और ये अब मैं आपको सम कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, वो हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ही रहेगा क्वेश्चंस का, रिगार्डिंग लाइक सम कॉमन थिंग्स लाइक suppose this is a mic, this is a small mic you can see, and it is a like this is the activity I want to share, a small activity. I will give you like 10 second, 10 second. You just you just describe
Describe,
about this. What is the
describe about
quality of
this.
my? How can I use this? What kind of product is this? तो आई विल गिव यू दिस एक्टिविटी माइक, इसके बारे में आपको बोलना है। 10 सेकेंड में आपको दे रही हूँ, जो भी आपको इसकी खामियां हैं, इसको हम किस तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट, तो आप मुझे
Yes, yes,
बताइए
yes.
इसके बारे में।
Okay.
यस, राकेश फ्रॉम यू, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम यू।
Okay. This is a mic. This is the Sony banded to mic. It is a very helpful to your contents while you going to the create your contents, and it is the very high frequency. Whenever you use hold it here, so you put on your collars as well as you anywhere you put sitting on your stand. It is the frequently easily to catch on that you whatever your voice.
Interrupt,
It
sorry,
is the
Rakesh, to
best.
interrupt you. You told me that you put and sitting, put or sitting, both verb you used.
No, no,
Only
no.
one verb you can
Put on
use.
stand.
We
Yes,
can put.
put on stand.
No,
Yes,
no, we
put
can
on the
put it
stand.
anywhere. We can put it anywhere. हम इसको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. We can carry it anywhere with our, because it is a portable. Okay, it is a portable. It is a
It's
portable
the portable,
mic,
yes.
and it is very helpful to stuck in my
Very
shirt
easy to
or
use,
like
yes.
anywhere like. तो हम
Very
इसको ऐसे यूज कर सकते
yes, yes. Very
हैं. Yes.
comfortable to carry over the anywhere, and its the frequency is very high. Whatever you were to uh, hold it your position, your voice is clearly absorbing and delivered to your contents. So this is the right quality for these mics.
Okay. Very nice explanation. Thank you. Up next is this is the uh, for Ankit. अंकित के लिए ये है adapter. So what is the use of this? Tell me about this. What is the quality of this? How can we use or how can it helpful for us? This is the product for you. Just explain it. Hmm.
Mm. This char this charger is Samsung brand, and it is a fast charger and uh, use in anywhere, eco-friendly. Use in eco-friendly in any other mobiles. Uh,
You can use to any other mobiles. That is the type of C. We
हाँ
provided the
हाँ
USB cable type of C, so you can use to
use in
very
mobiles.
very easily to, yes. So you can say that.
Or
Yes, yes. Go
next,
ahead. Sorry, I
or
interrupt you.
you can explain in another way also, in a easy way. Is this talking to people? Is this talking to people? Is this adapter is able to talk to people or not?
Not
No. Is this what is the best quality of the of this adapter? This is the as you told me, this is the charger of Samsung Galaxy. Like, okay, it is right. And what is the different benefit also in our mobile?
It is not gonna burn. It is not gonna short. It is a very safely using the equipments inside. So you
Can
don't care
our
about your
mobile?
child.
I want to ask one question from Ankit. Uh, can my mobile survive without the charger?
no, ma'am.
No, any mobile cannot survive without the charger because it's the key of charging. It is very important
Charge
product for our mobile. It helps us to charge our mobile like this.
mobile.
Small sentences you can frame. Small means छोटे छोटे sentences आप बनाइए और उसको अपनी एक्टिविटी में बोलिए. Okay, so complicated भी नहीं रहेगा. You can easily explain or articulate your thoughts, right?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, Ankit, what is your favorite part of the day?
Favorite?
Favorite part of the day? Since morning, you are working. You have been working since morning. Since morning. So, what is the best part of your day? Any any part of today? What kind of cases you handled today? Tell me one positive vibes from today only. Positive
Best
thing.
part of my day. Best part of my day. 1 p.m. when we will together in office and having tea and coffee and snacks, and we will gossip to each other about
ये
the
गॉसिप्ड.
courtroom के
आप मुझे पास्ट
gossip.
टेंस में बताइएगा ये सारा. आप जैसे कि मैंने
We
आपको ये पूछा कि आप अपने पूरे दिन का कोई भी
जी
एक
आज
अच्छा पल बताइए जो मोमेंट अच्छा रहा हो. तो आप मेरे को वो बीता हुआ टाइम बता रहे हैं. ओके. जब भी हम किसी भी स्पेंडिंग और बीते हुए टाइम की बात करते हैं तो वी विल ओनली यूज पास्ट टेंस. हम्म. जैसे कि
we
मैंने आज.
gossiped
या. तो सेकंड फॉर्म का यूज
we
करें.
gossiped to we gossiped to each other to how to deal with this case, and
Okay.
यही मैम.
Okay, Rakesh, this is the question for you. What is something you always forget?
Uh, something.
Practice.
What?
You always forget.
No. It's not practical. Actually, just I'm going to the one troubleshooting on my laptop regarding to the vulnerability access, and that time you definitely we have to put the 1 second the several commands. So that time I forget to work commands. Definitely, this issue I am always be face. So that is a part of the trouble for me.
Okay. What is the first thing you do after waking up?